Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I was back at the Goodwill outlet and wanted to share these 10 pieces I picked up. They averaged to be about $1 each, and these are some of my favorite finds yet. The first item I picked up is this light pink BB bandage style skirt with these two front zippers on it. Next I got this Athleta white tunic. It's kind of longer and it'd be perfect for a beach cover-up or with like a cute little tank top underneath it. This is one of my all-time favorite finds. It's a Free People off the shoulder white and sort of taupe colored striped shirt. It's so cute and it was in perfect condition. I love this find also. It's a white Vineyard Vines quarter zip up, and it's sort of an older style and it has these colorful whales on the back. Then I found this gray Lulu zip up hooded jacket. It's super cute and I think it's also an older style. Then I found this white denim jacket. It has sort of these gold buttons and it's from H&M. Another one of my favorite finds is this black Urban Outfitters midi dress. It's out of linen material and it has tortoise buttons on it. Something I love to find at the Goodwill outlet are sports teams shirts because they're so outrageously priced. So I got this San Francisco Giants baseball tee. Then I picked up this two-toned blue and gray Jack Wills sweatshirt. My last find was this Zara chunky knit sweater. I love that it ties up in the front. I think it's super trendy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe and let me know if you want to see more of these types of videos I've been putting out lately.